I'm going to try to level with everybody and not to sound pessimistic or anything like that. Just the reality of things. When we see what is going on in the world, and we're not ostriches. We know exactly what's going on in the world. We just can't put our heads in the sand as much as we want to. Shoot, I want to get up every day and just don't worry about anything. But the reality is that no matter where you are, things will affect you. What is going on in the world will affect you eventually, even if you are secluded. I am secluded. I am all the way in Alaska. So a lot of people think that, oh, Billy, you're going to be just fine. You are in the best place in the world to weather out any events. Not quite. I think because we are in a world economy, everybody's going to be affected one way or another. Unfortunately, what I see coming is, without being doom and gloom or anything, is the potential for chaos for the next 3 years. And I'm saying that not to bash on anybody or, just to point fingers or anything like that. Not at all. Not at all. I just see it as the consequences of actions or decisions that happened years, decades ago. This is inevitable, to tell you the truth. We have too much debt. Not just the United States, but every country in the world has too much debt. We have rising powers. They want to take. They want to become the world currency reserve, and because with that you have an unlimited credit card, and with that your economy just booms, and every country wants that. So you have back in the day you had two major powers. It was the United States, and back then it was the Soviet Union, now known as Russia. Now we have a third party coming in, China, and of course, it's just everywhere. Now we are seeing this in our lives. We see it when we go to the store, prices going up. Everybody's saying, well, that's just part of things. Inflation, 2% is a healthy inflation. I heard that somewhere. And I'm always like, yeah, but that just means that if you get a 2% increase in your paycheck, you essentially still get paid the same as you did the year before, because now everything costs 2% more. But the reality is that it's not a 2% inflation. You know for a fact there is a lot more, because a decade ago, $100 will get you quite a bit in your shopping cart. Nowadays, it's just a few things. Hopefully you guys saw what I show you, that I share with y'all, that I got foot warmers for Mrs. D, start stocking up for next year. I got some split peas for soups and whatnot. I got 18 packs, so 18 pounds. And in here, I got 24 packs. I also got 3 boxes of 410 that they have in there, because as expensive as the 410 is, truth to be told, it is one of those things that I just go into the field when the season comes, and this is how I carry my 22. I told you all that this is how I do it. But yes, it is expensive, but this equals a meal, and it's a lot easier on my aching shoulders and whatnot. You guys know that I recently had to have a procedure done on my left shoulder, so I have to be careful. And the 410 has less kick than the others. So for that matter, I'm using the 410. I'm just giving you a flat explanation that you got to do what you got to do. I also got batteries. I got extra batteries, specifically rechargeable batteries. I even got an extra charger for my 2A batteries. Sorry, 2A batteries. I got a another charger and 3 packs of batteries. I think that was pretty much what I got. And when I got to the register, it was expensive, really expensive. So it's like, how can we say that we are going in a good path when everything is way more expensive than what it used to be? How can we say that, you know, the economy is good when paychecks remain the same and everything costs more? And as turmoil continues to happen around the world and our fuel becomes a little bit more challenging, uh, I'm sure that you are paying more at the gas pump. Let me know how much you're paying in the gas pump in your area. I'm here in Fairbanks, Alaska. I think if I recall correctly, I paid $4.49 the other day. I think I'm not 100%, but it's not cheap. Diesel is over $5, $5.30 something. Heating oil is actually now more expensive here than propane. So it's like, how can we say that we're not going to see more chaos for the next 3 years when one day we're saying that things are going right and the next day there's no right. So it is unavoidable that we will see things our way. The only thing that we can do is uh, try try to be as simple as possible and try to enjoy life a little bit, because we just can't be in chaos mode all the time. We just can't. I passed by Home Depot the other day because I am decluttering the house, and one of the things that we decide to do is, because we need to have summer clothes and winter clothes, and winter clothes are really bulky. So I put all my winter clothes in the red totes that you guys have seen me where I put my gear in, and just for me it was 2 totes. I had to do now Mrs. D and Laz, and I said, hey, we can put this totes elsewhere, not inside the house. That way we have more space and we don't have to heat that area, because those totes are it has the gasket and everything around. You can literally leave it outside and nothing will happen. But I will find a place here that I can put them away, and when winter comes I just put it inside, and the same 2 totes I will put it with summer clothes and bring it out. It's just to declutter our living space, our rooms and whatnot. But that way I also know what I have and what I don't have. When we went to Home Depot to get those totes, I saw that they have one of my favorite gloves, and these are the ones that we use for riding ATVs and whatnot, and they are insulated, really good. And I grabbed an extra pair. I noticed that it was $1 higher than before, but still, we need the gloves. Another thing that you can do, and then just me giving you ideas, this is something that I did for Mrs. D. You can learn how to loom, how to knit, however you want. This is just a beanie. It is thick because it's double, but for my area, this is gold. In fact, a lot of the times when she puts it on, she's like, "Oh my God, I just get too hot." This winter, however, because we dealt with so much length of time in -40s, I think it was a straight 2 months. Hey, it was good to have it. So I just want to bring that up to you. The next 3 years are not going to be easy. I think if you think otherwise, let me know. I'll be happy. I'll be glad to have a friendly discussion. But what I'm seeing is just more and more things happening. I don't know whether or not they're going to benefit us in the long run. I just don't know. But I'm 100% sure that in the short run, I just don't. I'm not seeing the benefit. I'm not seeing the benefit at all. And unfortunately, we have become a society that we are very isolated. We are very isolated when it comes to family. We're not like we used to. Even friends, we're not like we used to. Everybody is really caught up on the uh, run from one place to get to nowhere. I see it here. The driving is just insane, and people are rushing everywhere. I don't understand the reasoning behind. Maybe it's a society thing now, a societal thing now, that people just feel they need to be rushing everywhere, and nobody can just like do things calmly and see that, that if you get to work late, it happened for a reason, and just slow down. Rushing may get you into an accident, and then you're really gonna be late. um, I'm just seeing it. I'm seeing it, and I don't like where things are going. I really don't. So just be mindful of those things. What can you do? Well, just keep doing whatever it is that you're doing. I don't know your situation, and I will continue to say that. And I don't know your finances, so I can't advise you on things that I don't know. And even if I do know them, I will be cautious to advise you, because I don't want to be held responsible for something that you make a decision on based on just my experience, because my experience is definitely different than yours. But I just want to share my thoughts with you. Um, I think the next 3 years are going to be a bit chaotic. I think that the fuel prices will continue to rise. I think that things at the store prices will continue to go up, and I really don't think that our income is going to increase. Probably because it's going to be the other way around. With the rise of AI and whatnot, people are going to be losing a lot more jobs. So be mindful of all these things. Um, I know what I always say, like everything happens for a reason. I hope that at the very end it is for our benefit. It's just right now, well, right now, I think we are all feeling the pinch. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye, everyone.